Alright, here's the first example I'd like you to copy down in box 2. Make sure you write the word problem down because you need it to look at it when you review these problems when you're studying or doing a test or something. It says a 15-foot ladder. It leans against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 3.5 feet from the wall. How high does the ladder reach? So let's follow the steps here. We're going to draw a right triangle. We'll get a pen out first. And we're going to label the parts of the triangle. Now, a ladder leans against a wall. So ladder, think about a ladder leaning against a wall like this. It's going to be the slanted part. So we know how tall the ladder is. It's 15 feet. And we know that from this right here. The other measurement we have is 3.5 feet. So that must be one of the other legs. It doesn't really matter where you put 3.5 feet. You'll get the same answer as far as solving it, but if we want to be accurate as far as the picture, it says 3.5 feet, the bottom of the ladder. So the bottom of our ladder is right here. So we're going to write 3.5 feet right here. Now let's look at this problem. We have a, we draw a little arrow. It's pointing out a hypotenuse, so we must be missing a leg. So let's use one of our equations to solve, looking for a leg. We're going to do c squared minus b squared equals a squared. Now we'll write 15 squared minus 3.5 squared equals a squared. And use your calculator. 15 squared minus 3.5 squared, and you get 212 and 75 hundredths equals a squared. Then you do the square root on both sides to get rid of our exponent. Get rid of the a squared. And the square root of 212.5, use your calculator, 212.75, is 14.6 when you round it. Now our last step in solving a word problem was the most important part. Make sure we're answering the question they're asking. They want to know how high does the ladder reach? And that's just saying how high does it reach. This is a pretty simple word problem. The answer in this case is just our leg. So that's our leg. Make sure you copy this down. Copy down the word problem, the picture, and all the steps. If you have any questions about how I solved this, make sure you ask me. Once you finish this one, we'll continue on the next video, which will be in box 3.